Hello traders, you are highly welcome in my channel, and this is a tall money bag, yeah, and I'm so happy and excited to see you. By the way, let me ask in advance, in case you like my content, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Yeah, I'm here in my hustle. Yeah, this is the bike that I'm riding right now, doing my border job, hustling, and I thought of having a break just to make for you the content, yeah, because I really love you as my subscribers, and I want to help you learn forex, but not the hard way like me. Yeah, for me, actually, I've learned forex in the hard way, but for me, my aim is for you to learn it in a very easy way. What I'm going to show you today is my trial for funded account. Yeah, I did in funded next. It was just a trial, so that I can see if I can also make money when I get funded. Because let me sit, I want to sit just right here. Let me try and I see if I will be comfortable. Yeah, I think I am comfortable. I actually did a trial funded account in funded next, so that I see if I can pass, uh, in case I end up buying a real funded account, because I'm in the process of doing so. But actually, the advice is that before you go for anything like life, you need to first try. Even before you go for what competition, any competition like Olympic competition, you need to do a lot of exercise and you need to go through a lot of process before you get into the final. Even before you go for exams, you need to do tests, right? Yeah, even for me, I decided that before I buy a funded account, I need to do the trial and I see how I will pass it. Yeah, and I suggest that you also do the same next time if you are going to buy the account, your account. um and also, before I do that, let us first go in the trade that I took on Friday. There's a trade I took on Friday, and I took two trades. One was gold, and then one was Nasdaq US 100. I believe that is Nasdaq. Yeah, in the Meta it is US Tech. Yeah, in MT5 it is US Tech, and I lost one, but I passed the other one. I lost for gold, but I passed the one of US Tech, which is US 100. I'm not comfortable here. I'm feeling this thing is pressing my nyash. This one. Let me find a way I can make the content while I'm comfortable. I feel my back is hurting me. I don't know if it's because of too much riding. Woo. Yeah. Let us go in the charts and then we actually see how my US Tech trade played. Okay, I'll show you both, but we shall do some simple analysis in the in the one that I got the profit from. Yeah, so this is our chart. Okay, this is our chart, as you can see just right there. This is the Nasdaq I was telling you. Can also say US 100. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't know if it's US 100, but I think it's US 100. But also can be called Nas 100. That is Nasdaq. Yeah. This is the trade I took, the last trade. Good enough, the trend was going up. Yeah, the trend was making lower, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, then the higher high. Yeah, uh, this is a very clear uptrend. You can see if you check on a daily time frame. There's no doubt here that it is making um, an uptrend. This one is along history from way back, which is 1 day, but then if you go to the 4 hour, it's still telling us the same story. And then on 1 hour, still the same story. I've been taking profits all throughout, 3 profits. Yeah, yeah. And also on 15 minutes, this is where I took my entry from. Yeah, the reason why I kind of took this trade was this resistance here became the support here, and since the trend was making an uptrend, I was like, fine, let me take it. And then as soon as I entered here, okay, as soon as I entered somewhere here, then a very big candlestick was formed, and within some few hours the trade went on my favor. Let us look at gold. With gold, it was just general ranging on 15 minutes. Yeah, since it was ranging, it was just making consolidation. Yeah, up and down, up and down. Therefore, I was like, okay, let me wait when this trade moves up here and then it comes down. But then it just made this move and created the liquidity, which actually got me out. And that is it with gold. And I never took any other trade again. Yeah, the most reason why traders fail is because we normally take a lot of trades. Yeah, if we are to take only one trade a day, there will be a high chance of winning, because you take the trade according to your setup, okay, in a day, and no more trade. That would actually be a very good thing for you to maximize on the wins. Even me, that's the challenge I have. If I lose a trade, I find myself revenging the trade, wanting to take another more trade. But that is the biggest battle I also need to fight. Okay, and I'm fighting it. But risk management and money management, emotion, I'm all good. But also psychology is one of the problems. Psychology, sometimes you don't know when to exit and also when to enter the trade, and also when to break even. You're just confused depending on how the market is behaving. Yeah, so then let us now go and see my in my account, yeah, how I managed to pass my trial challenge. This is my account for what? For Fund Next. Yeah, you can see my name is just right there at Tom, and initial balance. I bought an account of $6,000, as you can see there. It is just a free trial. I also suggest that you do this in case you have seen that you have started developing some confidence to trade, like as in you are making some small profits with the small drawdowns, or without drawdowns at all. Just as in confidence in your trade, you are making some small profits. You can do this before you buy any account. Yeah, so here, uh, all those are my details. As you can see, this is the date I bought the account, and this is the date I finished the account. It was just within very few days. It was toward ED season. Yeah, it was toward ED season. So you can see here, my balance is now 7,000. It was within a very short day, and then within that, there was a day I made $1,181 just within a very short time. Okay, in one day, this was just a 1 day trade. And then floating loss, there was none. I can just say it was a 3 day the what trade. You can see even here in the system, it is saying 3 days. Yeah, I just passed this challenge within 3 days. Here I have maximum daily limit. Okay, that I was given. I was supposed to lose $300 in a day. Yeah, and then daily loss still now also $300, and then maximum loss limit I was supposed to lose $600. Okay, but I didn't breach any of those. Everything went on smoothly. Minimum trading days were 3 days that I passed, and then profit target here you can see 1,183. All these were done within 3 days, traders. Yeah. So the problem is finance. I don't have money right now, but with time, very soon I will start to trade funded account when I get money to buy the challenge. So when you're trading funded account, there's no need to rush. Yeah, you can even take 1 month trading it, so long as you have maintained your lot size and kept it low. You can surely pass your funded account. Yeah, I hope you have seen it, and I would like to end here for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.